Hi everyone, my name is Hidechi and I'm a Japanese and I'm going to be doing a lesson on how to read Japanese from this video. Usually in my channel I'm posting lessons on Japanese chess, shogi, and realize there are many people overseas who are interested in Japanese cultures as well. Other than Japanese chess, we have many cultures. We have Ego, Judo, Karate, and tea ceremony, and origami if you know about it. And yeah, anime. Actually, most people got to know Japanese chess from an anime called Naruto. Yeah. So I want to teach you Japanese to help you get to know more about Japanese cultures. But I'm not going to go into too much difficult matters like learning sentence, grammars, and so on. If you want to go as far as that, you can just go and buy a textbook and study yourself. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to just teach you how to read and pronounce Japanese. Okay, so here we go. First of all, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about Japanese characters. I mean, like alphabet in English. So first of all, we have three types of characters. All right, types of Japanese characters, and we have three. One is what we call Hiragana, and two, katakana. Sorry. And number three is called kanji. And actually, kanji means Chinese characters. So actually, kan means China, and ji means, yeah, character. So kanji means Chinese character, of course. So, and I often get this question. I thought you were Japanese. Why are you talking about Chinese? Well, it's not Chinese. It's just Chinese character. So we use these characters originated from China, also in other countries in China, like Japan, and sometimes in Korea they use it too. And I guess it's used in other countries too. So it doesn't mean Chinese character is only used in Chinese. It's just like you use alphabets in many countries, and of course, even if you're not in Greece, you use Greek alphabets, right? So it's kind of that. Okay, and actually there are a big difference between the above two and the number three kanji, because these two, hiragana and katakana, these are called phonogram. Phonogram means it only conveys a specific sound, only the sound, just like alphabets do. Like A, B, C, all represent some kind of sound, right? But kanji, this is not a phonogram. It's called ideogram. Ideogram means the character has its own meaning itself. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Let's write, for example, okay, cat. Let's write cat in Japanese. In Japanese, we say neko. Okay, so how do we write neko in Japanese? First of all, let's write in hiragana. In hiragana, we do like that, and katakana like that, and Chinese character it's one character like this. So I'm gonna explain this. First of all, hiragana, there are two characters, right? And the first one represents the sound of ne, and the second one is equal to the sound ko. So in alphabet, you need two characters to represent the sound ne. You need a consonant and a vowel, right? But in Japanese, only one character can mean sounds like ne and ko. So that means we have more characters in hiragana and katakana than in alphabet. So okay, that's hiragana, and in katakana, it's just the same. This one means ne, and this one means ko. So they're always paired. We have two kinds of characters that represents ne, and we have two characters that represent ko. Why do we have all these pairs? Well, it's kind of, let's say this, in alphabet, these are like lowercase, and these are like capital letters. Yeah, the uppercase letters. Well, it's not exactly that, but kind of. So let's erase this because it's not exactly that. But we choose which letter to use according to the usage, how it's used, like uppercase and lowercase. I'm going to go into that in detail later lessons. So let's move on to kanji. So you see a big difference here because in kanji we have only one character, and of course how we read it is neko, of course, because it's the same word. We read this one as neko, but the fact is it's only in one kanji because this character itself has a meaning of a cat. Well, I can't draw a cat, but basically this character is a cat, okay? So that's why it's called idiom. It has its meaning. And the interesting part is this character can be used in all countries that use Chinese characters. So not only in Japan, if we write this kanji and show it to Chinese, he can understand that it's a cat, okay? So it's very useful in Eastern Asia. And since one character has its own meaning, as you can imagine, there must be thousands of kanjis. So yeah, you think it's very difficult to remember and learn all those kanjis. But don't worry, even Japanese can't remember all of them. We only know some part of that. We started learning kanji from elementary school, first grader. So Japanese small kids can't even read and write kanji. So you don't have to worry about that. And how kanji was made is pretty interesting. For example, how about mountain? In Chinese characters, a mountain is like this because it came from a picture of a mountain, like that. And other than that, a river or a stream is like that because it came from a drawing of a water flowing. Okay, and well, this means an eye, and it came from the picture of an eye. You know, if you flip it over like this, it'll get to the kanji of eye. So it's pretty interesting. Well, this cat wasn't made like that. Actually, it's kind of a combination of three kanjis. Actually, this part means an animal. This part means grass or plant. I'm not sure. And this part means another. Well, these kanjis are exactly the same between countries. But let's say, for example, this means a horse. In Japanese Chinese character, I guess it came from a picture of a horse or something. But anyway, it's the horse. But in some region in China, it's like this. So sometimes it's different. Well, in China, they simplify characters because they only use Chinese characters, and it's too much trouble to write exactly as this one. They want to make it simpler, of course. So yeah, that's kind of one example. And of course, how we read the kanji is different from different between countries. Of course, in Japanese we call this one, the cat, as neko, but in China they read it mao. That's what I think. So how we read is different, of course. Oh yeah, and one more thing that is interesting. Sometimes the meaning of the word varies among countries. Let me talk about it. This is an example. In Japanese, we have this word. It consists of two kanjis, and actually this one means a hand, and this one means paper. The kanji of hand came from a drawing of a hand, by the way. So the meaning of each kanji, hand and paper, are the same among countries, I guess. Even in China, this means hand and this means paper. However, as a whole word, in Japanese, this means letter. Letter, yeah, the letter you write and send to someone. But in China, I hear that it means a toilet paper. Isn't it funny? Well, you know, hand paper. That's how we give meanings to a hand paper. Okay. Okay. One more example, which is very funny, I guess. How about this one? All right. This kanji means actually something like love, and this kanji means person. I guess it came from a drawing of a human, two legs here. And what I want to show you is how we give meaning to this word with two kanjis. Okay, in China, I guess it means spouse, husband and wife. And in Korea, I thought it basically means boyfriend and girlfriend. I mean, when they're not married yet. And however, in Japan, it means how should I explain? It means someone who you are having affair with while you're already got married. So it's not a very good meaning. So sometimes you have to be careful to use among countries. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about how these characters, especially number 1 hiragana and number 2 katakana, were made in Japan, and how we choose among 1, 2, 3 to use in a sentence. And also I'll talk about in what order we're going to learn in these videos. So that's all for this lesson. Take care, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with another one real soon.